Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 daily chart here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and hopefully you come away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as some profitable trade ideas here in the market itself. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts that are not only given in the live chat room, but also for those of you that have full-time jobs or part-time jobs, you're still going to get those alerts via text message and email. You're also going to get the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity. We'd love to have you. All right, so let's look at the S&P 500 daily chart here. Kind of some sideways trading action. The last video we did yesterday on the S&P 500 kind of covered the general feel of where we're at in the market. So I'll just kind of recap just a little bit. We have heavy resistance above us. All this sideways trading that we did here through July and August, we're still below all of that. We're still below the September highs as well. So that's a lot of resistance. So we kind of want to look for a couple of things here. Now, I want to turn our attention back to over here, right here in this action, okay? We had a decline here, and this was from Brexit, by the way. It doesn't really matter, but just so you have a reference of when that was. So we had a big drop in the market, two-day drop, and you can see that the drop, very similar in the length of the drop, but obviously this one took 2 days, and this one took, 3 weeks. But what I really want you to focus on here is the 3 days of bullish action right here. See how we gapped up right here? Gapped up over the previous day's high. All right, this is what we did over here. We gapped up, closed over the previous day's high, and then we have 3 green days in a row. All right, so very similar action right here. And what do you know? We also have some more similar action because after those 3 days, there was about 4 days of consolidation sideways, okay? Sideways consolidation. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 days of consolidation. So tomorrow could be another day of consolidation, but it doesn't really matter the amount of days here. What you really want to look for is if this is going to be a real breakout, you want to see another candle like this, okay? So if we get a gap up and a break over these highs, so gap up and a break over 2182.30, that was the high of this day right there, then we're going to break out very nicely. So that's what you kind of want to look for. That's going to be a viable breakout in my opinion, is a break over these highs right here and a gap up over about 2172. So I want it to open above about 2172, and if it does that, that's going to be a viable breakout to the upside. If we break these lows here, about 2151, then we're going to head to the downside, and I wouldn't be surprised if it did that either. So we have a lot of resistance above us, and we have a gap down here to fill below us. So those are the two levels that you really want to pay attention to. A gap down below 2151 is another signal that you can look for. So a gap above 2172 and then a break over these highs, 2182, or a gap below 2151 or a close below 2151 is going to bring us to the downside. So we have a sideways consolidation, and we're going to see which way it breaks, and then you can make your adjustments and trade accordingly. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the home page, get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up, you're going to get instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity. We'd love to help you.